Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous tutorial, we added idle and walk animations to our 2D ninja character. Today we're going to add a run or sprint animation in Godot using a new sprite sheet and simple logic in the player script. I downloaded a running animation sprite sheet from an asset package. You can find the download link in the description below. Once you have it, just drag the running sprite sheet into your Godot project file system. Now, select your AnimatedSprite2D node. Click the Add button to create a new animation and name it Run. Then click on Add Frames and choose your running sprite sheet. Set the horizontal and vertical values based on how many frames are in the sprite sheet. This depends on your asset, so match it with the actual layout of the image. Select all the running frames and click Add. Now your run animation is ready inside the AnimatedSprite2D node. Adjust the animation speed so it feels fast and smooth, like a real sprint. Click Play button to test the run animation. In my case, the animation's so slow, so I increased animation speed to 15. Now, open your player script. We'll add logic so when the player holds the Shift key, the character switches from walking to running animation. You can find my final script at the description. First, define two variables for walk speed and run speed. When Shift is pressed, increase movement speed, play the run animation. When Shift is released, go back to normal speed, play the walk animation. And that's it. Now your ninja can idle, walk, and sprint like a real action game character. Remember to hold Shift key for run or sprint. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next. See you in the next video.